Welcome to the Raynor Garage Door Design Center, where you can bring your vision to life. Select from our residential garage door models. There's a style to fit any home. Upload an image of your own home to design your perfect door. Try out any combination of panel styles, colors, windows, and hardware options. You can even select from over 1,500 colorwave paint colors and our beautiful wood tones. Raynor's Design Center renders engineering accurate 3D images so you can see exactly what you'll get, down to the wood grain texture. Make sure you compare your before and after image to get the full effect of your updated door. Once you've designed your dream door, the Design Center will show you where you can purchase from Raynor authorized dealers near you. Design your door today on the Raynor Garage Door Design Center.